FX 2025, Day 3!
We're here at SMX Convention Center, Manila from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. bringing you innovative construction solution to elevate your projects. Dito sa aming booth, makikita nyo ang aming high-performance product mula sa tile and stone installation hanggang flooring system designed for durability, efficiency, and quality. Meron din kaming actual product samples na pwede nyo makita at mahawakan, plus live demos para ipakita ang aming construction solutions. Hindi lang yan, our team of experts is ready to assist you and give you expert advice upang masiguradong angkop sa inyong pangangailangan ng aming mga produkto. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Let's visit booth G514 to G515 now and let's build together. See you!